Did the nigga kill him and put his body like parts in paintings? Like, yo, bro, I made your man's into no, no, no. Greetings, my empire. Dre's here back with another video, and today we finna watch episodes 10 and 11 of that JoJo Bizarre Adventure, part 5. Golden Wind. You feel me now? Listen. Listen. That smell good. God damn. Listen. Last time we watched. Y'all saying. Last time we watched, they packed up old boy partner, the guy on the ship. They packed up his partner. His stand was the, stay in place. Bro with the gun, he went crazy. Feel me? Now they gotta protect the boss's daughter, Buchelti. I need to hear his name more to get it. Bucchetti, whatever. He became a capo after finding Papo's treasure and handed it to the organization. So he run what Papo used to own, he run it now. But then they got a new assignment to protect the boss' daughter, this and that and the third. He went to go get some stuff for the boss' daughter, like some stockings, a magazine of Vogue, and he was followed. Now he beefing with some guy. This guy could shrink, this and that and the third. He got a helicopter. The helicopter got Blicky and Bombo. It's getting lit. But we gonna Anyway, before we get into the video, you already know I would ask how to hit the like button, subscribe, join the empire. You already know, helps me out, helps the channel, and helps the channel grow. I appreciate the support. If you want to see the full episode reaction, no cuts, edits I have to do for YouTube. Make sure to go check out that Patreon. Shout out to all the Patreon. You know what I'm saying? Also, if you want early access to episodes, go check out that Patreon. If you want to get a chance to get your very own What's Supposed to Be and put them next to mine, go check out that Patreon. Exclusive anime reaction, go check out that Patreon. Go to Patreon. Just do it. Like Nike, no FaceTime, but the people who want to Skype me. Please watch yourself, because I'm feeling myself. He was going crazy. Y'all people just spawn. Y'all just like NPCs. Oh, that was cool. Totally. Shut up. So far, the nigga with the best stand in the group is Jonah. So far. Oh. Wait, he just fell on his back. Shouldn't he be dead? Oh. Standu. Oh, why you trying to look cool as hell? Hold on. This is a robbery, gang. But he think he's gonna be able to ride his helicopter. Oh, he caught him. Just snap his neck, just pop his like. I was about to say pop his cherry, pause. Hey, fucking yo. He's seeking? Oh. You better turn back, bro. Them rats will kill you down. And I know that's dirt water. Oh, I already peeped what's finna happen. He's gonna drink that and he's gonna turn it back into normal size. Oh my god. Ugh, ugly ass. That nigga name is Toro or something. Ugh. That nigga is about to turn into a car. Transformers face eyes. Double kill. Oh, hold on. That nigga look crazy. You see his eyes? Oh, I ain't gonna lie. Put a car in a drink. A lot of discord going on in the organization right now, gang. It's crazy. It's crazy. Oh. Did the nigga kill him and put his body like parts and paintings? Like, yo, bro, I made your man's into no. This is crazy. Oh, so our peep was going on. They're basically gonna use her to try to find the boss identity to avenge their man. That's what I'm getting from it. Ah, it's like Kira's stand that, you know what I'm saying, that tracks heat. It's a self-sufficient stand. Like, you don't even gotta, I bet it's dumb long range too. Remember the Rick and Morty episode with Pickle Rick? Pickle Rick! Morty! This is not a really good time. Man, they need to get me in the studio. You know what I'm saying? Our voice Rick. I do the Rick voice. You know what I'm saying? Morty. I can't burp on cue though. I thought. Oh, he's done. That's fine. That's fine. So get to the next episode. Everybody screaming, "Gun, gun, gun!" When the folks on you go tell her the whole gun. She said she don't fuck me on my diamond chain. 100 shots. 100 shots. How the fuck you miss a whole 100 shots? Then they went to a garage. Remember my first Minaj? Bethy and Tiffany. Come on, bro. Rest in peace, young dog. Look, she blew my whistle like a referee. Oh, that's... How did you get up from the sewers that quick? He a real nigga. When niggas start asking you questions, kill me. That's a real nigga trait. NARANCIA ギルガは1984年獅子座生まれ。ねえ、父さん。母さんの目の病気って。Don't want to talk about. クソ野郎。まあ、友情だぜ。はあ。おめえも俺みてえに金髪にしろよ。そしたら超イケるぜ。だな。That look kind of cold with the purple eyes. He said, "Yo, quit lying, old." Yo! I ain't gonna lie, he gonna sue the cops, gang. What a hoe. Showdown はレストランにナランチャを引き入れると、テーブルの仲間と店の給仕長に向かって、こいつにスパゲティを食わしてやりたいんですが、構いませんね。W Mans feeding the youth。するわけでもなく、かといって嫌悪の表情もなく、自分に運ばれたスパゲティの皿を薄汚い小僧の。Give it a 7 out of 10。Look alright。そして。あんたのところで仕事させてください。甘ったれたことを言ってんじゃねえぞ、このクソガキが。もう一遍同じことを抜かしやがったら、てめえをぶん殴る。Oh, he talking crazy。彼の言う通り、ナランチャは家に戻れ、ブチャラティには秘密で組織の幹部のポルポに会いに行き、試験に合格したのだった。Damn, I missed the suit. Like, why would niggas get a stand they start dressing like that? Like, some of the fits be alright, but like,
娘なら間違いなくスタンド能力を持っている。ボスはそれを知られたくねえんだ。娘の能力からボスの正体がきっとわかる。その娘はヒットなんだ。
I already peeped the plan. Bro, you're talking, but I already peeped your plan 50 like years ago. You know? Beat that spider ass, bro. Get on his back. Don't turn your back on it now. Like, bro, if that me in the situation, that spider's dying. Okay, I'm gonna get on his back. I'm more intelligent than I'm poke his eyes out. Come on, Spider is not that accurate with it. Oh, that's Venom. Bro said, "Are you all?" No, no. That nigga used Joestar Foresight. Oh, he gonna escape. Bro just started stepping on the blood. My car! I'll be looking outside. Hold on, I'm about to beat this motherfucking kid ass. I don't know what he doing. I can't even see what where the bullets come from. But I'm gonna beat this kid ass. That's my car. Nigga, he put in work. Stop talking to him like that before I put my hands on you. And I'm not gonna be able to stop. Oh, that's a team. Now I figure we gonna figure out his stand, his backstory, this and that. And third. I think he the last one, right? Well, except for Buchelti. We know his stand, but we don't know his backstory. He looked the best. He looked the best. I'm sorry to fit. Jorno probably second best fit. Let me think. I don't know, bro. I don't know. Let me see. Nah. 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 Yeah, shit. So I'm assuming they about to fight all those guys. You feel me? I know the guy with the red eyes, the black and the red eyes. I know he got some sort of crazy stand. It's impossible for him not to ever stand that crazy. I wonder why his eyes is like that though. I know you could ink your eyes, but that looked like something else. Like Popo had a stand, like his eyes was like that too. I wonder if he related to Popo or something. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed, man. If y'all did, make sure y'all hit the like button, subscribe, join the Empire. Let me know down in the comments what's your favorite part. You feel me? Remember, if you want to see the 4-episode reaction or cause edits, you gotta go check out that Patreon, y'all. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Here's the Empire out.
Gotta hold my ground. Smile left and I lost and found. I don't cheese, I'ma walk and frown. Hey, you up, can you hold me down? Spin it up, cause I know you round. Left phone, what happens now? Been around, look what I got. Back wound and a face on clown. And it's cool. Got a pill for you if you choose to swing that move.